You're melting a hole in the side here, I don't know why. Good day viewers. Tomorrow it's the day I'm 11 years on YouTube, and we're just gonna have some fun with an old microwave which my colleague Theo has donated to me, as it had a few problems. It was arcing inside. Again, I have some fun. People don't copy this idea because the microwave will most likely be destroyed. This thing was ready for the scrapper anyway, but we have some fun before it's completely denuked, basically. Enjoy. Here an LG. Put the device set up here. I've taken the turntable out. I'm going to try one of these high pressure sodium bulbs, which is a cycling bulb, so we'll see what happens if we put some electrons in it and see, make it some nice fireworks, or yay or nay. Stand by. Oh, that's good. The microwave does work. Beautiful. The package. Theo, your microwave still works. You're doing about 1 kilowatt. Let it fire a bit. I don't want the device on fire, so because I want to keep it clean. You're melting a hole in the side here, I don't know why. Okay, I'm going to de-energize because I don't want to blow it up yet. Open the capsule. Oh, yuck, that stinks. I don't know what it was doing here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, the glass is hot. It melted a nice hole in the lamp. Fabulous. Microwave 1, lamp 0. Now this is the typical standby current of a microwave, so this is doing the 24/7 to keep this little clock display going, which is pretty hard to see because the sunlight is pretty bright, but that's alright. And open the door and then the lamp will go on. And that is about 26 watts, so that lamp is about 23-25 watts. Next victim is a metal halide lamp, and let's see what happens. Let's land the camera up a little bit better. Energize device. Oh, hang on. .5 kilowatts. Oh, that's a nice color there. Quick the meter here. That's what it's doing at the moment. This must be the ghetto or something. The 1.5 kilowatt, 6.93 ampere. We've got nice blue colors. Camera is not picking it up, but that doesn't matter. Oh, we've gone blue-green now. Amazing colors, absolutely amazing. Now it's gone purple. I smell something is getting hot. Something is red hot in that lamp at the moment. I'm going to de-energize quickly. Let's see how she's going to perform. Oh, the afterglow is amazing. The microwave is hot. De-energize camera. Energization. Nice, the glow is really cool. There's green in there, and there's purple in there, and blue. We've got a multiple spectrum in the lamp. But the mercury capsule isn't on anything. Microwave is going 1.5 kilowatt. Status quo. That lamp is very hot. Smoke coming out of the microwave. Not sure what is failing. The ventilation. Gonna de-energize. Don't want to burn the microwave like this. Look at this, look at this. Smoke oozing out of the back. Now open the door. Wow. Now be ventilation from the lamp. Oh, the capsule is black at the end. Really cool. Theodore's microwave is working very well. Close up on the meltdown on the first bulb. It's really amazing. Well, we're gonna microwave a Zodion photocell. Probably still works, there's heaps of these thrown away in favor of fancy electronic devices, etc. Let's see what happens. Energized device. Oh, nice colors, nice colors. It's smoking up inside. That all. Venting. Venting smoke. Beautiful. Oh, the emission is very strong. We'll do a distance shot because I don't want to stink the whole house out. We just enjoy this for a few more seconds. I'll de-energize shortly. Because this is very nasty fumes. Look at this. Look at this. We'll have a quick look at the meter here. Microwave in distress. I'm going to de-energize because I don't want to stink the whole house out. Ventilate. De-energize. Open the device. Oh, what a smell. I think we blackened the microwave a bit. Not good to do. Microwave is rendered not fit for purpose anymore for cooking food. Sodium. 1.4 kilowatts. Just flickering this lamp. 6.5 ampere. Attaining full brightness. Nice orange.